Welcome, welcome. I am today going to show you how you can join our program to learn how to turn your high-level account into a money-making machine, okay? So if you are unfamiliar with HighLevel, it is basically what I like to call the all-in-one digital marketing platform that is a master of many, okay? So HighLevel has so many amazing tools, and usually these types of all-in-one softwares, they have a lot of bugs. They're not very useful because they don't really have one great thing, and HighLevel actually has many great things that really make it a true all-in-one marketing platform. And in reality, most of all of my digital assets are built within HighLevel. So HighLevel is basically like they are a white label agency. Okay, so what they've done is they've created this amazing software, and when you create an account, you are an admin. Okay, so you are basically the agency owner, or you could also use HighLevel for a coaching program, be a SaaS reseller, and just simply resell the software as your own. Also network marketing, if you're building, digital assets for your network marketing business that you're promoting, and you want all of the people under you to be able to utilize those resources. HighLevel is a great solution for that. And also for lead gen agencies, because we have all of the website builder and all of those things and the automations and all of the analytics and the dashboard that help you to run ads. Okay, so it's really such a great solution because they create the software, they develop the software, they maintain it and do updates and support it and do all of those things. You as the agency owner, what you have the ability to do is create sub-accounts, or they're also called locations, and those locations are basically individual business accounts. Okay, so you're the admin, so you basically house all of the accounts, and those accounts are branded to you. Okay, they're logging into not HighLevel, they're logging into marketing agencies CRM or whatever you wanted to call it. Okay, it could be coaching crm.com, if you have a coaching business. However you want to structure your business, the ability to create the unlimited accounts inside of your HighLevel agency and then charge for those, also including all of the many opportunities to make a profit by utilizing or rebilling for texting credits, phone calls, emails, all of the AI options available inside of each of these sub-accounts. So lots of opportunities inside of HighLevel, aside from the amazing duplication opportunities, okay? So when you create your HighLevel account, like I said in the previous slide there, that you basically, everything is branded to you. Okay, so this is my actual white label dashboard. So you can see it doesn't say HighLevel up here. It says Vision. You can see over here, this is the admin account because we have the sub accounts here. So I actually have two sub accounts showing in this image. This is just demo accounts. So you'll see the list of all of your sub accounts here. And then you'll see also the affiliate portal, the marketplace, and all of your admin options here. Okay. Now, this is the admin. This is when you're going to handle your agency, all of the agency settings, all of the accounts within your agency and all of that. Now, when you want to utilize the tools, what you have to do is create a sub account inside of your agency account. And then this is going to be for each business. Okay. So in this example, if I wanted to access the demo MBA account, I could just click switch to sub account. And then now I am actually in that sub account there. Okay. And it kind of looks like this here, where you have all of your tools. You have the Launchpad, the dashboard, the conversations, which is like an omni-channel network where people can message you from like text messages, phone calls, the recording will be there, emails, Facebook messages, Instagram, all of those are going to be found inside the conversations tab. So even if they've contacted you, many different networks, all of those conversations will show up there. Okay. And of course you have your opportunities pipeline. You can send it and receive payments. You can receive payments and send invoices and things like that. You also can, you have the website builder, blog builder, membership areas, all of your automations, all of these things. So HighLevel has an enormous amount of tools, basically all of these tools here. And those are all found in the sub account level. Okay. So if you're imagining, you have your agency account, the house, and then each of the rooms within that house would be a sub account. So each business needs to have their own sub account to access all of the tools. Okay. But the beautiful thing is I can resell, as the agency owner, I can resell this sub account access for $97 a month, just like HighLevel does, to any business owner, or add my services and my additional tools and all of those things on top of that. And then, of course, charge more. But I have the ability to do that inside of my own brand. Okay. So that's really the beautiful opportunity within HighLevel. So when you create your HighLevel account, how do you get leads for HighLevel, right? This is what everyone wants to know. How do you get leads for HighLevel? And I actually, not only did I have this question myself when I first got started in marketing about 10 years ago, but I also get this question a lot. Okay. So this question is what made me create my entire program. Okay. So how do you get leads? Well, you can give free software accounts. All right. Now, previously, I used to give, ebooks and, different trainings and different lead magnets, and those are all great. But the problem with an ebook is that people will download it and most likely not even read it. Okay. The beautiful thing about a software is you're actually giving them a very useful solution they can use for their business. Okay. Also, it's something they're going to continuously be logging into. So your upgrade opportunity is much better, obviously, because they're using the tool. So the chances are, for example, if you gave a free Elm Messenger Pro account, they're using the tool every day in their business. The chances are they're going to eventually upgrade. And then, of course, that subscription for that goes to you as a member of our program. Okay, so you actually get reseller licenses where you can resell this. The lead goes to you, the money goes to you. Okay. So each member does get unlimited free accounts to give as lead magnets, and then also premium and legacy account licenses so that you can actually earn additional income on top of your HighLevel account. Okay. So how do you give the free accounts, right? This is a perfect example of a Facebook post I just posted. You can see last week here, October 4th. And I had 229 comments on this post. And all I'm saying is, who wants a free Elm Messenger Pro account? You can see why this is so easy to get leads for this, because you're giving something of actual value. It's not an ebook that they're just not going to read or they're going to download and forget about. It's something that they're actually going to be using to get leads for their business. Now, the beautiful thing too is that you, as a member of the program, you can create your own Elm Messenger Pro account, and you could use one of your licenses for the premium and start using this the same way that you're telling your clients or customers how to get leads using Elm Messenger. Okay, so you're not just a user or not just a seller, but you're a user as well. Okay. Now, if you don't have an audience, this is a great solution for you because, like I said, you can create your own Elm Messenger premium account and you can use that to build your audience using your personal Facebook profile. So the strategies that we teach is you go pick your top 3 groups that your perfect client is hanging out in. And then, of course, you want to post and engage with content in there. You want to engage with users, but you also want to invite those users or those members into your personal profile where you can share valuable information about your business. So that's how it works. And basically, Elm Messenger turns your personal Facebook profile into a CRM that also integrates with HighLevel. Okay. Now, the way that these softwares work, okay, is a typical lead magnet scenario. So you have all of your channels where you're getting traffic, okay? You could be running ads to these channels. You could be just posting content. You could be doing any type of organic or paid strategy to send leads to your offer page, okay? Now, our offer, what we're giving is these free tools. So the high value offer is going to be a free Elm Messenger account, a free Elm Optimizer, Elmatic, Elm Link, any of these free accounts, and we have websites like a complete system already set up for you to go ahead and start using this right away. So they're going to opt in for the free account. And we, of course, want to send them emails. That's part of lead generation. It's great to get the leads, but the magic is going to happen when you follow up with them. So the goal is, no matter what your business type is, you're giving this free software to a business owner who's obviously interested in getting leads for their business. Now you can tell them how else you can help them to grow and scale their business, or how to get leads using whatever solution that you have decided to add on top of your HighLevel software, okay? Because everybody's selling HighLevel. How do you differentiate your agency or your business over the other people who are selling HighLevel? Now, this is all part of your value ladder, okay? So when you create your HighLevel account, you immediately want to think about, what is my value ladder? Okay. Now in our program, we've created most of the value ladder for you. Okay. So we have the free account. So free Elm Messenger, for example, that you are giving to leads, to get leads, right? When you get those leads, they could potentially upgrade to one of the lower tier plans, because each of the tools have different plans. So they could upgrade. And then now we're building the value ladder, right? So now they've gone from a free lead to actually a paying customer. They actually got their credit card out or whatever, and they have made a purchase with us. So we're helping to build that know, like, and trust factor. Okay. Now we have different plans, like I said, so they may decide to upgrade to one of the lower tier plans, or maybe even one of the higher plans here, but we are earning additional income. We're also working our way up the value ladder. We're also earning trust with our customer because they are investing more and more money. Also, the goal is, if you're brand new to HighLevel and you're just trying to kind of navigate this whole digital marketing thing, you may be overwhelmed with paying for your HighLevel account. So utilizing these tools will actually help you with these, the value ladder costs here will actually pay for your ads, or they could pay for your HighLevel account. Okay. So that's the goal here, is to create additional income generating products so that we can build our business and our value ladder. Now, as you're working your way up with our tools here, you also can, of course, resell HighLevel. So one of the great things about Elm Messenger, for example, is it is a lead gen tool that works on Facebook, and it also integrates with HighLevel. So if you're offering Elm Messenger free or premium account, a obvious upgrade would be also to HighLevel. Plus, the chances are any business owner who's using any of these tools and they opt in for a free account, they are obviously interested in doing some type of marketing. Maybe they're an agency owner, maybe just an affiliate marketer or a network marketer, or maybe they have a local business. Whatever it is, they're telling you by opting into this free software that they are interested in using software for some reason. Okay, so the chances are they're going to need and utilize HighLevel. So it's an obvious upgrade. Okay. Now, you don't really want to just stop at the HighLevel tools. Okay. The beautiful part about HighLevel is not only can you give access to the tools only, so really all of these things here, all of we're doing is giving access to the software. We actually have not provided any services in this value ladder so far. Okay. But what you want to do is you want to work them up to your high ticket offers, and the high ticket offers is what's going to be your main opportunity. That's what's going to move the needle in your business. Okay. You're not going to retire at 40 years old by selling a bunch of these accounts. Okay. You need to get up into the thousands. You should have something that is generating a high ticket income for you. Okay. So typically with agency owners or coaches or network marketers, that high ticket offer is going to be a service. Now, the reason that services should always be your highest ticket is because it takes your time and you are limited with time. You're not limited with software, right? We could sell or we could give away millions of accounts of free Elm Messenger, right? We could give away 1 million overnight, and it's not going to take us any more time than, we wouldn't have to do anything, right? It's an automated process. But if we are providing services like coaching sessions or building websites or creating campaigns or running ads, any of those things, that's actually taking our time. And so that needs to be, because it's our most valuable asset, that needs to be our highest ticket offer, that the people who have worked their way up the ladder, who know, like, and trust us, they are the ones who are going to be investing into the services, okay? Chances are you're not going to be able to sell a $10,000 advertising package to someone who has no idea who you are and they've never heard anything about you, right? So that's why this software and using the value ladder like this and offering your paid services to the people who are already paying you for things, that is where the opportunity comes in. Okay. Now, how do the licenses work? So like I said, there are multiple plans. All of the tools except for Elm Messenger have 3 plans. All right. So Elm Messenger just has the premium and the basic, but all of the other tools, Elmatic, Elm Optimizer, and Elm Link, they also have a legacy plan. All right. So basic plans use 0 licenses. All right. You have unlimited basic plans. You can, like I said, you could give away 1 million basic Elm Messenger accounts tonight, and that's fine. You could totally do that. Now, the premium and the legacy plans, they do use your licenses. You can look at licenses as kind of like credits, I guess. When you sign up, everyone gets a minimum, no matter what plan you choose, of 5 licenses. So you could use those licenses however you choose. You could, in this scenario, I think this was Elmatic here, in this scenario, a premium license of this tool would be, or a premium plan. So if I signed someone up for this premium plan here, it would cost me 1 license. If I signed up for someone for a legacy plan here, it would cost me 4 licenses. Okay. So that's basically how the licenses work. Okay. So unlimited free accounts, premium uses 1, legacy uses 2. So if I had 5 licenses, I could resell a legacy plan here and a premium plan, and then I would need to purchase more licenses. So how much is it to purchase more licenses? As of right now, the average cost, and of course this depends on whatever plan that you choose for current members, but right now it's about $3 to $5 per license. So you can see if you are selling, the premium plan, obviously you're still making a massive income, okay, on every single month, reoccurring income on that plan. All right. So who gets the leads for the tools? Okay. Now, this is not an affiliate program. This is a reseller program. So you have your own website, your own form, and that is attached to your HighLevel account. So you get the lead. It doesn't go anywhere but to your HighLevel account. Okay, so that's really, really important. It's your lead. Now, who gets paid for these tools, right? Like I said, you have your own website, you have your own checkout form. When someone signs up for any of the paid plans, that subscription is created in your HighLevel account inside of your Stripe account. And then, of course, that money goes right into your Stripe account so that you can transfer it to your bank account. And that happens immediately. No one gets paid before. You're not earning a commission. You are literally reselling that account like a username and password. That's kind of what you're reselling. And now they're going to be paying you for that tool every single month. Okay. So how much do the licenses cost? Okay. Now, I did tell you that licenses after whatever plan that you create are anywhere from $3 to $5 a piece. Okay. But for new and current HighLevel members, it is free. You do get free licenses. Everything in our program is totally free if you join our program. Okay. Now, I have tons and tons of bonuses, and you can join the program for free if you're a current or if you are a new HighLevel member. Okay, so let me walk through these plans with you. So if you want to go to myvisionagency.com, you want to either create a free account if you're a current HighLevel member, or you want to click here for create a free account if you are not a current HighLevel member. then click here if you are a current HighLevel member. So let's click here and go through the steps here. All right. So you can read all about HighLevel here and all of that. I basically just went through all of this stuff with you. But you do have the ability, you'll see here how our program works. You're going to sign up for HighLevel. We have a done for you setup, and then you're going to start getting leads. Okay. This typically takes about 30 minutes. We do require a 24-hour business day to get your system set up. But as soon as it's set up, you'll go through just a few steps to test your system, make sure everything's working, and then you can literally start sharing your link and signing up people because the whole system is automated. All right. I did talk about the basic and premium and legacy plan. So like I said, basic is 0, premium accounts are 1 license, and legacy are 4 licenses. Okay. So you do have the ability to resell Elm Messenger. You can resell Elm Optimizer, Elmatic, and Elm Link. Okay, so there are actually 4 tools that I use in my own business. So they're actually great tools, but those are the ones that you have the ability to resell. Now, I do love to over deliver, and every time that I do a training where I show you how to build a snapshot for, for example, churches or a cleaning business or a lawn care business, MLMs, and so on, I do always put the training and the snapshot and make available to the members. So any of those will always be available to you. Currently, we do have these snapshots here. Okay. Now the lawn care business, I actually did run my husband and I had a lawn care business for 8 years. So this is a super, super great and successful niche if you did want to get into that. And of course, I am partial to my snapshot because I did build it over 8 years. All right. Now, also part of my bonuses is you do get a Vision AI Ads Manager. Okay. So this is one account. This is powered by Play. This gives you the ability it is white labeled with my brand. Okay. But you as a member, you do get an account to use for your own business. If you did want to white label it yourself, you want to go to the menu, you can click on Play, and then you can actually sign up to white label the brand for yourself. But every member in our program gets an account so that you can actually use the AI Ads Manager to run your ads. It's super, super simple. All you do is paste a link, and it will generate the copy. It will generate the images or video for you, and then it will even add the audience. All you have to do is simply choose your budget. Okay, super simple. There's also you also get unlimited access to the Vision AI content creator. So it's based off of ChatGPT, but it makes creating content much more simple. So if ChatGPT is a little bit too techy for you, this is a great solution for that. You also get a premium account of Group Key. So Group Key will help you manage your Facebook group. You can also integrate that with HighLevel as well. So if you want to basically a system like when they answer the questions, you want those questions to trigger an email campaign, and inside of HighLevel and all of that, that's what Group Key is going to do for you. Okay. So we also have pre-built white label courses on many different subjects. It's basically PLR products, but they're all completed courses already built into HighLevel. You can see here all of the different ones. You also get a free Noisy account so you can create unlimited channels and groups. There is unlimited storage as well. So if you want to have meetings with clients or you're doing onboarding and you need to have, a private group ongoing discussion with your client, Noisy is a great solution for that. You also get 95 website templates. These are not included in HighLevel, even though HighLevel does have a lot of templates. These are 95 website templates on top of all of those that you get access to. You also get access to 3,000 plus social media templates that are built on Canva, so they're really easy to customize. You also get a done for you setup, and if you click here on my website, you'll see this is the website that you get. It has a white label video here to show the SaaS, and it also has the obviously the home button here, and then all the different tools. So the way that this works is when you sign up, you can choose whether you want your website to the homepage to be your SaaS offer or the affiliate offer. A lot of times when people are brand new to HighLevel, they will choose to promote the affiliate opportunity until they have their own system built and they've chosen a niche and all of that. So this would be your website if you chose the SaaS plan, or you could also choose the affiliate plan to be your homepage. Okay. So the goal here is when you're choosing your SaaS plans, the way that this is set up is you could offer one plan here, this example, $197. Of course, you could change this to whatever you want to. And this would be like basically for your basic offer. And then you could create a plan where you're going to give them access to all of the additional tools that we offer as part of your value stack. And then you would, of course, charge more money, right? But already right away, if you just chose this setup, you would have an offer that you could start promoting right away, okay, for your SaaS. So you see here, this is what the website looks like. Now, if I go to the other tools here, you'll see the add-ons. You can flip through here, and that demo website, you can see what it looks like live here. So here would be like the Elm Messenger. Here is the Elm link. All the videos are white label as well. You also see Elmatic. Here is the website here. And of course, when we get this all set up, the colors are really easily customizable. We actually have that set up in what's called custom values. And that allows you to just literally paste in your color and it will update the whole website. Okay, so you can see these are really good websites that we have available that your system will be set up on. Okay, now also I do provide an enormous amount of support. Okay, so I am live 5 days a week, Monday through Thursday. I do a live training like you guys are watching now. And then after the training, we have open office hours until 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That is open for everyone to join. If you are a member, though, you can actually join me in our weekly Q&A session. And then, of course, if you need additional help, that is definitely the place to go for that. All right. Of course, we have a knowledge base. We also have a build it with me model. So if you did you have a project that you're working on and you just need to book some time with me to basically pick my brain or get some strategy advice, I can definitely help you with that. Or if you need me to work with your VA, you can book hour sessions with me as well. Okay, so I do have tons and tons of reviews from all of our members. There's 49 5-star reviews. So if you are interested about what my members have to say, you can definitely check that out. Now we have several plans. Okay, now these are high-level plans because this is the page that you would choose if you do not have a HighLevel account. Okay. So to join the program, you get access to all of the things I just told you about for free, okay? It is just a bonus that I'm giving you for using my HighLevel affiliate link. Since I earn a commission for affiliate marketing, that is what covers all of the costs for all of the cool things that you receive as a bonus, okay? So if you want the starter plan is that agency account, and then you get 2 additional sub-accounts that you can use for yourself or for a client, okay? Now, here are the bonuses here. If you decide to create a starter account, which is $97 with HighLevel, okay? Those prices may change whenever you're watching this video, but currently it is $97 a month, and you get the unlimited basic accounts of the Elm licenses. You get 5 premium or legacy licenses there. You get all the snapshots, the AI ads manager, and so on. Okay, so you get all of the benefits and everything that we offer here for the $97 plan. Now, if you decide to join the freelancer plan, which is the $297, that is unlimited agency accounts, meaning that you have unlimited sub-accounts or locations that you can resell. Now, the big difference here is you definitely get more Elm licenses, okay? Instead of 5, you get 20. So that's definitely a big jump there. But the biggest difference between the freelancer and the starter plan is the unlimited accounts, okay? So here you get 2, and here you get unlimited. Now, the biggest difference between the freelancer and the Agency Pro account is all of these SaaS capabilities. So the automated account creation, the automated rebilling options, you even get some additional features, but it's mostly the rebilling automation and the account creation that really sets the SaaS plan or the Agency Pro plan, sets it apart from the others. Okay, and of course you get still unlimited accounts that you have available as well. Now you get all of the resources and all of that inside of our program, no matter what plan you choose here. The only difference is the amount of actual Elm licenses that you receive. So agency plan, you receive 30, the freelancer plan, you receive 20, and then the starter plan, you receive 5. So what you want to do if you want to sign up for HighLevel using my link is you just want to click one of these buttons here. And when you do that, you're actually going to go to this page here, which tells you, hey, we're using an affiliate link. So best practice is to make sure to copy this link here. You're going to want to go to an incognito window, and you're going to want to paste that when you sign up, because that will ensure that you are sponsored by me, okay? So you don't want to have to contact support and all that. If you're sponsored by me, you'll immediately get an email with all access to all of your resources and all of that. If you don't get an email, chances are the cookies did not get you assigned to me, so you will need to contact support, okay? Now, you will get a 30-day free trial because I am one of the top affiliates of HighLevel. You get, when you have like a certain number of affiliates, you do get an extended free trial that you can offer. So everyone can create a 30-day free trial, but just know it's only available on the Pro plan. So if you wanted the $297 or $97 plan, you will need to downgrade before your trial is over, but still everyone can get a 30-day free trial, okay? Now, let's go back to the join page, because if you are a current HighLevel member, meaning you are already signed up for HighLevel and you are sponsored by someone else, you want to click this button here, okay? Now, this is all of the same information, all right? You're going to get all of the same bonuses, snapshots, everything, same website, all of that. All of this is exactly the same. The difference is when you get down to this option here, okay? So if you are currently right now on the $97 HighLevel plan sponsored by someone else, you can click here to upgrade to SaaS using my link. And what happens is HighLevel has the ability to split the commission between me and your current sponsor for HighLevel. So we actually, you don't change sponsors at all. Okay, you're just upgrading your current account to the SaaS plan. You don't have to change your account. Nothing is different, okay? The only difference is that your original sponsor and myself will split the commission for the upgrade, okay? So you actually get all of these things for free if you decide to upgrade to the SaaS plan from the $97 plan. So that means you would have to upgrade to the $497 plan if you are currently on the $97 plan through me to get all of these things, okay? I just want to make sure I'm as clear as possible. Now, if you are on currently the $297 HighLevel plan sponsored by someone else, you can upgrade to the SaaS plan, the $497 plan, here using my link, and you get all of these benefits, okay? All of these bonuses. All the same bonuses. Like I said, the main difference is the amount of licenses you have available to resell. Now, if you are currently on the $497 SaaS plan, or if you are someone who's like maybe on the $97 plan and you're not really ready to upgrade, but you would love to join our program and take advantage of all of our system and our support and licenses and all of those things, you can actually choose to pay the $997 annual plan. Okay, so it's $997. I mean, that price alone is worth the snapshots, right? So $997 for the entire year, and you get access to everything in our program. Okay. So that is that's the difference between all the plans and how you want to get signed up. Now, if I go here to, once you sign up, you get access to our resource area. Okay, so we have a done for you setup. So to get set up, all you need to do is click here, and you'll see there are step-by-step instructions. All you need to do is basically give us access to your agency and your registrar where you've purchased your domain, fill out a form to let us know it's all been complete. And then we'll actually set up your HighLevel agency for you and our system so that you can start using it right away. Okay. Now, as soon as we're done, we're going to send you a video, and then you, of course, will want to go through these steps here. It's literally copying and pasting. It's very, very simple. And then you have some optional things that you want to do. Of course, you want to test it and make sure you understand the process and how it all works, and make sure all of your accounts are being created and all of those things, right? But also you have have some optional steps that you can take. You may want to decide instead of the SaaS offer, you want to promote the affiliate offer, and then all you're doing is just swapping out the homepage, right? You have the ability to purchase additional licenses, and also maybe this is not really for you. You like the idea of signing up for our program, but maybe you have something else you want to build, like maybe a course, or maybe you want to promote a church, or maybe you just have something completely different that you want to work on. You can click here, and we have tons and tons of training on different niches and all of that you can check out. Okay. Also, if you go down here, of course, the main thing is everyone wants to know, great, the system's awesome. How do I get traffic? Okay. So we have two options available that are included in your program. You can use Elm Messenger to get leads to using your personal Facebook profile. And you can also use the Vision AI Ads Manager to run ads. And it does, let me go into this account here. The AI Ads Manager, you can run ads for all of the different Google channels, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat, all of the message ads and all of that. You can even do Google call ads if you want to. So you have the ability to use the AI Manager. All you need to do is just paste your link in there. It will generate all of the copy and run the ad. You just choose your budget, right? So this is definitely a valuable asset to your software stack, but also to your success, right? Because a lot of us don't know how to run paid ads. How do you optimize them? All of these things, but it's obviously the fastest way to get leads for your business. So if you are someone who's like, look, I have more money than time, you want to run paid ads, right? So you want to utilize this tool. If you have more time than money, you want to utilize Elm Messenger, and that's going to help you get leads for free, right? You're not going to have to pay for them like you do with paid ads. Now you also get a Noisy account. So like I was saying, Noisy is great to create those unlimited channels. Of course, you can communicate with our team. You can also create unlimited private groups, and you can even host video calls and all of that inside of the group. Okay, so that's really valuable, especially like when you're onboarding a client and you have that back and forth communication. In the white label courses here, you can see this is what it looks like. Basically, you just click here and all of the videos, I'm sorry, this one isn't pre-built, but all of the videos are included, all of the assets and all of that are available for you to give for free if you did want to provide courses as lead magnets, okay? So I just wanted to show you a couple examples of the website templates. I told you you get 95 plus website templates that are not included in HighLevel, and you can see they're really high quality templates. They look really, really good. Okay, here's another example. Obviously, I can't show you all 95, but this is good enough, right? I mean, we have so many benefits inside of our program that templates are probably the least of the bonuses. Now, of course, also you can join our group. So digital marketing training, scale your vision with AI. You can see that we have over 2,400 members in here that are using all types of different tools with all different businesses. It's really a valuable place to go to not only ask questions from me, but also questions from the rest of the community. Okay. So, of course, you do see our knowledge base here, and the knowledge base is built on HighLevel. I do like to use all HighLevel everything for my business. So you can see really, really cool here. All you need to do is search for whatever it is that you're looking for. Okay. Now, you also do have access to our events calendar, and you'll see here that here's all of the previous training, but you'll see here all of the events that, that we have and how you can join as well. Okay. So, tons and tons of value there. Okay. So really, you guys, honestly, I would hate to say, but people tell me all the time, no one else offers what you're offering when it comes to building a business on HighLevel. And I hope that that always stays that way, because my goal is to provide all the things for you guys that I never had when I first got started. Okay. So everything that you guys, I can possibly think that you need, I want to provide that for you. Okay. So literally, I hate to be, I guess, I hate to boast about that, but I think it's probably true. I don't think anyone else provides this level of support for their affiliates or this level of resources for their high-level affiliates. So I encourage you, if you're interested in signing up for HighLevel, go ahead and go to myvisionagency.com and sign up. And if you're a current HighLevel member and you're struggling, because I see this all the time, it's such a great opportunity. But again, it's just tools. Without the strategy, the tools are useless to you, right? So if you're struggling with HighLevel and you're ready to take your business seriously and go to the next level, go to My Vision Agency, join our program, and we can all help each other succeed. So thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you tomorrow, same time, same place. Go make your vision a reality. Bye. Thank you so much for joining us for today's training. If you have any questions, you can join us for open office hours starting right now at bridgetbartlett.com. It's free and open to everyone, so I'll see you there.